Welcome to Channel Don't. Forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Kali Linux is a powerful operating system tailored for cybersecurity tasks. It's designed for professionals who need robust tools to protect and test systems. Think of it as a hacker's toolbox, filled with a variety of tools for different purposes. It comes with pre-installed tools, saving you the hassle of downloading and configuring them. These tools are used for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Kali Linux is popular for its unmatched reputation in the cybersecurity community. It's open source, free to use, and constantly updated by a community of developers. Social media hacking is a serious threat. It involves exploiting vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities exist in social media platforms and user behavior. Hackers can gain unauthorized access. They target accounts, personal information, and sensitive data. This can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and reputational damage. Understanding social media hacking is crucial. It helps us protect ourselves online. By being aware of the risks, we can take steps to mitigate them. It's important to note, ethical hacking involves legal and authorized activities. It aims to identify and fix vulnerabilities, not exploit them maliciously. Kali Linux offers a vast array of tools. These tools are essential for anyone looking to delve into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. With its open source nature, Kali Linux provides a robust platform for both beginners and seasoned professionals. The tools available on Kali Linux are designed to cover a wide range of security tasks, from penetration testing to vulnerability assessment. These tools are specifically designed for social media hacking. Social media platforms are treasure troves of information, making them prime targets for hackers. Understanding how these tools work can help in protecting personal and organizational data from malicious attacks. Let's explore some of the most essential ones. Each tool has its unique features and functionalities, making them indispensable in the toolkit of a cybersecurity professional. Metasploit, a powerful framework for developing and executing exploits. It is widely used for penetration testing and security research. Metasploit allows users to simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. It can be used to simulate attacks and test vulnerabilities. By doing so, security professionals can understand the potential impact of an attack and develop strategies to mitigate risks. Burp Suite, an integrated platform for web application security testing. It is a comprehensive tool that helps in identifying, analyzing, and exploiting web application vulnerabilities. It helps identify weaknesses in web forms and login pages. By pinpointing these vulnerabilities, organizations can take corrective actions to secure their web applications. Maltego, a tool for open-source intelligence gathering and link analysis. It is particularly useful for mapping and analyzing relationships between people, companies, domains, and other entities. It can be used to map relationships and connections on social media. This capability is invaluable for both cybersecurity professionals and investigators in understanding the network of interactions and potential threats. These tools, when used ethically, can help strengthen social media security. Ethical hackers use these tools to identify and fix security flaws, ensuring that social media platforms remain safe for users. They provide insights into potential vulnerabilities and allow for proactive measures. By staying ahead of potential threats, organizations can better protect their data and systems. Remember, using these tools against unauthorized targets is illegal and unethical. Unauthorized hacking can lead to severe legal consequences and damage to reputation. Always obtain proper permission before conducting any security testing. Ethical hacking is about protecting and securing systems, not causing harm. By following ethical guidelines, cybersecurity professionals can make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Setting up Kali Linux is straightforward. You can download the ISO image from the official website, then create a bootable USB drive or virtual machine. Once installed, you'll need to configure your network settings. This ensures seamless connectivity for your hacking endeavors. Familiarize yourself with the terminal. This is where you'll be executing commands and running tools. Remember to keep your Kali Linux system updated. This ensures you have the latest security patches and tools at your disposal. Section 5. Practical Social Engineering Tactics. In this section, we will delve into the various methods used by attackers to manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. Social engineering is a powerful tool. It leverages the inherent trust and social interactions of individuals to bypass traditional security measures. It relies on human psychology rather than technical exploits. By understanding how people think and behave, attackers can craft convincing scenarios that lead to security breaches. Let's look at some practical examples. These real-world scenarios will illustrate how social engineering tactics are employed to deceive and manipulate. 1. Phishing, creating fake websites or emails to trick users into revealing credentials. This often involves mimicking legitimate organizations to gain the victim's trust. 2. Baiting, leaving infected USB drives or offering enticing downloads to lure victims. The curiosity or greed of the target is exploited to introduce malware into their systems. 3. Pretexting, impersonating someone trustworthy to gain access to information. This could involve pretending to be a colleague, a service provider, or even a family member. These tactics highlight the importance of vigilance and skepticism online. Always question unexpected requests and verify the identity of the requester. Always verify requests for personal information and be wary of suspicious links or attachments. Double-check URLs and email addresses for any inconsistencies. By understanding these tactics, you can better protect yourself from becoming a victim of social engineering. Continuous education and awareness are key to staying one step ahead of attackers. Section 6. Ethical boundaries and legal repercussions. Ethical hacking is bound by strict rules. It's crucial to understand the legal implications of your actions. Unauthorized access to computer systems is a crime. Always obtain written permission before conducting any security testing. Respect privacy and confidentiality. Do not disclose sensitive information obtained during testing. By adhering to ethical guidelines, you ensure that your actions are legal and responsible. Section 7. Real-world scenarios, from defense to offense. Let's explore some real-world scenarios. These illustrate the importance of social media hacking knowledge. A company hires an ethical hacker. The goal is to test the strength of their social media defenses. Law enforcement agencies use social media intelligence. This helps them track down criminals and prevent cybercrime. These scenarios highlight the diverse applications of social media hacking skills. From protecting businesses to fighting crime, the possibilities are vast. Understanding these scenarios provides valuable context. It shows how social media hacking techniques can be used for both good and bad. Section 8. Avoiding common pitfalls and staying safe. When venturing into the world of social media hacking, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls, using outdated tools. Always update your Kali Linux system and tools to ensure you have the latest versions. Falling for scams. Be wary of websites or individuals offering guaranteed hacking solutions. Neglecting security. Protect your own systems and data while conducting security testing. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can minimize risks and ensure a safe and productive learning experience. Remember, responsible and ethical hacking involves continuous learning and adaptation. Section 9. Mastering the future. Continued learning. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, continuous learning is essential. Explore online resources, attend workshops, and engage with the cybersecurity community. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges of social media hacking and cybersecurity. Remember, knowledge is power. By continuously expanding your skills, you contribute to a safer and more secure digital world.